Hey, what's up guys? In this video you are going to see how to recover the deleted images from your Android mobile. So generally when you delete a photo, it will go to the bin or a recently deleted folder, so which you can recover back in seconds. So I'm gonna open my Google Photos and I'm gonna delete a picture. So here you can see Dwayne Johnson's image. So I'm deleting it by clicking on the bin icon at the top right. So you can see move to bin option. So I'm doing it. So right now the image got deleted, but what happens is it's going to be there in the recycle bin, so like what you have in your Windows. So you can see inside the bin you can see the image that you have deleted. You can click on that and click on restore to get the image to the original location. So every image that goes to the bin has only 60 days of lifespan, so that's to bring up space to your mobile phone. So that's a temporary location. But what if the image exceeds 60 days, or what if your image gets permanently deleted? So I'm deleting the image from the bin right now. So you can see the image is getting deleted permanently. Now the image is out of your mobile, but that's not actually true. So the image, whatever gets deleted, will still there be inside your mobile. So let's see how to restore that image back. So I'm going to use DiskDigger. This is an Android application. You can just go to the Play Store and download it by searching for DiskDigger. It got around 3.9 rating out of 355k ratings. So you can see DiskDigger photo recovery app. So I have installed it and I'm going to open the application right now. You have got two main options. One is the basic photo scan and the next one is the full scan. So just by using the basic scan you can recover most of the photos. If you couldn't recover it, you can go for the full scan, but the full scan needs root access. So rooting your phone is like unlocking your phone, so you might not need that at this particular situation. So you can go with the basic scan, and also you have wipe free space. So as I said earlier, most of the files will get stored into your into a space which won't get deleted permanently. So clicking on the wipe free space will give your mobile some good space. So now I have clicked on the basic scan and it's getting loaded. You can see the image that I have deleted in third row and second column, Dwayne Johnson's image. Let the recovery process goes there and let's wait for the whole recovery process to be done. You can see nearly 98 of my old deleted images got recovered. I'm going to choose only the Dwayne Johnson because I don't want any other. And you got three options. So either you can send the image to the cloud like emailing or Dropbox or Google Drive, or your physical drive. I'm choosing the physical drive. I'm putting that back to my download location. You can see the image got downloaded and a pop-up says it's recovered. And now let's go back to the Google Photos app and we can see the Dwayne Johnson's image back into the original location. So we have recovered the photo successfully. But what if you can't recover the photo using the app? And what if you don't want to miss out any of your photo or video? So it's better to use the Dumpster app. This is like a secondary recycle bin to you. I have installed it previously, so that's why I can see that in my recycle bin right now. Even if your image goes out of the bin or recently deleted folder from your gallery or Google Photos, you can restore them using the Dumpster app. You can see that I have recovered the photo using Dumpster and I can recover that back to the Google Photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.